So this is the second of the tour videos, and this one is going to be Debbie's allotment. So here we are at Debbie's plot. She's just been pruning this little hazel hedge that she's creating, and she's got hazels all the way down here and then hazels at the back as well. So it's going to look really nice. Strawberries in the planting pockets down here, starting to come to life. We lost all of the broad beans in the big freeze in the polytunnel and outside, but these new ones that we started in January are looking pretty good now. So we always have a lot of empty beds on Debbie's plot. It's hard to really replant on her plot where it's so easy on mine. We're only really harvesting right now these Jerusalem artichokes and these field bean tips, and these are looking really nice now. That big freeze did really knock them back, but they're kind of all starting to recover. And we lost a lot to mice, unfortunately. We replanted some of those. The rhubarb is just starting to break through. We've got quite a lot of rhubarb on Debbie's plot now. It's one of her favourites. And these are the two beds that we harvested the yak on from. And so we only took those out a couple of months ago. And then these are all herb beds. I'm just starting to come back to life again. And this is empty. And that one's strawberries. And then all the way around the edges of this big bed, which will ultimately be brassicas this year, we've got garlic. And obviously the brassicas are we start planting them sort of here, so the garlic sort of grows up around the edges. I think that'll work quite nicely. And then this was all purple sprouting broccoli, but we lost a lot of it again in that big freeze. We've just got a few plants left. I think this one will be claret. This is probably red admiral. It's just coming into harvest. And then this will be red fire, which I think is just finishing. So yeah, it's a bit disappointing when you lose crops, but we have enough to survive. Show you what the rest of everything we've got. So basically we've got apples all the way down here with kind of gooseberries and raspberries interplanted, and a cherry tree here, and then we've got various different currants all the way around here, raspberries down here, can't remember what this is. We've got asparagus in here. This is going to be where the yacon is going this year, and globe artichokes down there, pear tree, plum tree, pear tree, and two more little trees. I can't remember what these are. Plum. And cherry. And so all these are empty. So we're going to be planting annuals all the way down here, probably something like cauliflowers, because they fit nicely in a bed that size. And then we've got a little flower border down the back. So I think that is pretty much it for Debbie's plot. Debbie's plot really is one of those that truly does spring into life in spring, by contrast with mine, which is kind of always on the go. So I hope you like these quick videos. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.